That's probably why it's not working. Where the hell has that gone? There it is. It's probably just kept blowing bulbs. Blowing fuses. Oh, that's great. Oh, somebody kept the plug on the new one. Genius. Let's get that chucked in. That's why I usually try and keep as much of the loom on as possible. I'm going to take some off and keep all the bolts in the brackets, because that bolt was just about to crap itself. I only just got that one out. So this has got its wiring loom and its original bracket, because sometimes when they're broken the bracket's bent as well, but that isn't. Let's get this one cleaned up and chucked in. Oh, that's so annoying. The best modification you'll ever do to your Subaru is this one. Let me can see that. That's the best modification you ever do to your Subaru. Things are so annoying. All done. Been clean as well. That was working fine. I had to change the bulb in that one and in. So it kept blowing, but I'm pretty happy with that. That's good, easy fix. A little bit of lube. Chuck her in. Should be fine. Oh, that's a bit tight. What's this amazing content? Ooh. Snug at home. Lovely. Snake days. Boom. Just noticed this, I've never noticed before. Perfect. Perfect storage for, I don't even know what you put in there. Something long and thin. Could have been easier. This is not a car if you don't like spiders. There's a hidden bolt down behind this plastic trim. One up in here, 3 along the top. This is all a nightmare. Just to get to that, you have to take the headlight out, and that's the worst design of it. Has a bolt hidden here, a piece of trim over the top. Just not designed to work on. I think if you pull it too hard, you'll break these little clips off, and they're all hidden, you can't get to them. So you just got to pry it off, but that's it all stripped out. Clean it up and put the new one on. Just want to tidy this up while the wing's off. Let me get my tits. Look at that, lovely. Bit easier. That's all apart. We sell it, but that's good enough for now. It's alright, slightly different colour. I mean, maybe polished out, it might be the same. That's where these spiders have been coming from. You dead? Probably dead. Or just plain dead. Yeah, that's typical. Where's that gone? Well, it's looking a lot better. There is a bunch of paint issues on this car, but it won't be an expensive one. The roof is just ridiculous. It still needs the whole thing really needs another. Let's clear coat. It's unfortunate. Whole thing needs a good polish and then another wash and then another polish and another wash, but I probably won't do all of that. But the wheels are awful, it doesn't help. The wheels are really delaminating dirty, but it's not going to be an expensive car. Someone will want it, so I'm pretty happy. And that wing is not perfect, but it's really bloody close for free, basically. I don't think anyone would ever noticed. That's very slightly darker, but good bodge, fix.